Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be making baked potatoes with shrimp on top. Okay, so I started off with cooking the shrimp. Then I took the baked potato out the oven. So now I'm just cutting it in half. And then I'm going to season it. This is a very easy and simple recipe you can make. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so the seasonings that I'm using is adobo, garlic, and black pepper. Okay, once I was done seasoning them, I just added the shrimp on top. So right here, I'm just adding a little more Old Bay seasoning on top.